Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for October 2021. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionalities for the October 2021 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. We have one new feature in this release. This new feature is Add PowerShell Data Source Process Logging to the Data Source Configuration screen of Dynamic Forms. With this new feature, the data source executions will be logged and the PowerShell process logging messages will be stored. These logging messages can provide you helpful information if you want to look into the details of data source executions. We will now demonstrate this new feature. For this demo, we have prepared a delegated form called AD Account Manage Group Memberships. When we open this form, we can enter a search value, for example, Abby, and this will receive all the users found in the Active Directory with the name Abby. So we will select this user's account, go to the next screen, and several other data sources will now run. This first data source here will receive all the default attributes of this user's account, and below we have two data sources in a dual list. On the left side, you will see all the available Active Directory groups this user is still a member of. And on the right side, you will see a list of Active Directory groups where the user is already a member. So, while executing this form, several data sources have run, and with this new feature, all the available process logging is available in the admin panel of HelloID. Let's switch to the admin panel of HelloID. We have opened the delegated forms and then navigated to the form AD Account Manage Group Memberships. Then clicked on Form. Here you will see the dynamic form of this specific form. You can click, for example, on the first page of this grid where the results are shown. Then click on Edit, and then go to Data Source Logging. Here you will find all the data source executions, and when you open an execution, you can see the results. You can see that we searched for Abby, where you have searched, and you can also see result count. All this information can be seen here because this is configured in the data sources script. You can also navigate to the data source script itself. Go to the final page, and here you can see the right information messages about the search query, about the search containers, where you are searching in the Active Directory, and also the result count. Whenever there's an error in the script, an error message will be returned to HelloID. So when we go back to the data source logging, when you scroll down, you see that the first execution resulted in an error because of a little mistake. Here you can see the error message, and also the number 1, indicating that there is one error in this execution on this timestamp. This overview gives you more information about the data sources and the process logging. The Data Source Logging tab is available on all form elements where you have a data source configured. Also on this second page, for this part, or the dual list part, if you click on Edit, you can go to the Data Source Logging. There you will see the log messages. And here you will see that we have selected the user Abby, and that we went searching for the basic attributes, and that it's also finished. This is all the logging for this particular data source. If you want more logging, you can extend your PowerShell script and add more logging information. We will expand this feature to other parts of HelloID, and also to the delegated form tasks, and in the future, also to the product actions. So please keep an eye on our roadmap and our feature board. We will let you know on those pages when we have planned these features on our roadmap. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.